Hey everyone, in this short video I'll be talking to you about how to start affiliate marketing, and there's really 3 steps to the process. When you summarize it, the first one is you sign up with an affiliate network, the second step is you get affiliate links from that network, and the third step is you start promoting those affiliate links. Now that on its own is very simple to understand, but the truth is there's a bit more context and nuance involved to it, and that's something that's really important for me to explain to you, which is what I'm going to do in this video so you can properly get going with this. Now before I explain all of that stuff, let me just quickly say that my name is Vitaly, and if you're new to my channel, I basically cover a wide range of subjects about making money online, including affiliate marketing, which is my main source of income. Here's some of my stats in this business. I do have other means of income that I make, mostly as an affiliate marketer, but I create videos like these to help you succeed in affiliate marketing, whether you're new or struggling, whether you have questions, maybe you're thinking about making this a career for yourself. This is something that I do for a living, and you're welcome to ask me questions if that's the case. Now, the other message that I really want to get across is that if you're struggling or new to this business, there is a resource below in this video that you're welcome to check out that'll help you get started with affiliate marketing correctly, because this is something that takes time and work on your part as well, but this resource is something that you can get started with for free, which will give you the steps to doing this correctly. It's what helped me get to where I am today. So with that out of the way, let me get back to the main subject, which is how to start affiliate marketing. Taking those 3 steps that I mentioned in the beginning of the video, it's important to break down each of them because they all have their own context that's important to cover. So with the first one, for example, signing up with an affiliate network, generally speaking, as an affiliate, you're a freelancer. You can sign up with 1 or more different affiliate networks and promote a wide range of products. Now, there's really 2 categories of affiliate networks that you will run into when you get started in this business. The first one is, as soon as you sign up with an affiliate network, you get approved immediately as an affiliate and you can start promoting it, like for example programs. So as a more specific example, here's a program called Wealthy Affiliate. It's one of my main promotions as an affiliate marketer. You can actually sign up with them for free. In fact, the resource below talks about them because I do recommend them. But what they do is once you sign up with them for free, you're already immediately an affiliate and you can start promoting them. And if you're new and you don't know how to do that, they actually provide you with training to do just that, as well as other resources, but the resource below talks about it. But there is also a second type of affiliate network that you may run into and perhaps consider signing up with, and those are ones where you have to go through an approval process. And typically Amazon Associates is an example of that. AvantLink, I think ClickBank might be like that as well, but you basically go through a sign-up process where you enter personal information, including your tax ID, stuff like that, and then it's basically like a resume where they go through it and they see if your application is what they're looking for. And typically what you're going to want to do before you go and you sign up with those programs is that you're going to want to have some sort of YouTube channel or website that gets visitors, because that shows the affiliate network that you're a serious affiliate that can potentially promote these companies' products. It's a bit more of a longer sign-up process, but I do strongly recommend that down the line to be an affiliate for multiple networks. And that's something for you to consider. Me personally, I'm an affiliate for at least 5 different affiliate networks, and I actively promote stuff from at least 3 or 4 of them currently. And for example, with Amazon Associates, you have options, once you get approved, of course, to promote millions of different products. That's like one of the biggest affiliate networks that's out there. Their commission rate is pretty low, but the truth is you get to promote a lot of different stuff, and that can work out. So that's with the first step. So there was a big explanation behind that first step, but like I said, there's quite a bit of nuance and context that's necessary to consider. Now let's go to the second one. With the second one, if you remember, well, quick review. The first one is you sign up with an affiliate network. Now you have more context with that. With the second step is you get an affiliate link from that network. That's actually the easiest thing to explain here. So let's go back to what I was showing you with the Wealthy Affiliate program. Like I said before, if you sign up with them for free, you're automatically an affiliate and approved to promote them. This is my affiliate page on Wealthy Affiliate. Here's my personal affiliate link. So everyone that's in the program and affiliate links in general, once you're approved, you get a unique URL from that network, which signifies that this is you promoting them. So if people click on that link, wherever it's from, that's something I'm going to cover in the next step, and they buy from it, you will get the commission. That's how the affiliate network knows that it's you that made the sale for them. So in my case, this is my unique URL. If I go to Amazon, for example, and I want to promote this, you'll see where it says get link and it says text, and I'll click on this. This link is my unique URL, so I can start promoting this product through this URL that I get, as well as whatever other products that I'm looking to promote. If I wanted to promote something else, I'd have to do the same process, because then I'd get a different link, but it'd still be uniquely tracked to my particular information, so Amazon knows it's me. So that's the second step. Now the third and last one, so once again, let's review the steps. The first one is you sign up with an affiliate network. You now will know the details about it. The second step is you get links, which I just showed you. The third step is you start promoting those links. Now this is where it gets tough for a lot of people, because a lot of people do it incorrectly. If you're someone that's new and you don't really have a lot of money to get started with this, the good news is you don't really need a lot of money to get started with affiliate marketing. Just a little bit is fine, but you can even get started for free. What I would recommend is that you open up one of the following. One of the following. So a YouTube channel and or a website or a blog. And the Wealthy Affiliate Program that I recommended that you can promote as well, they actually supply you with that kind of stuff. The YouTube channel you can sign up with for free, but they provide you with a free site. But anyway, beside that point, you have to have one of those things in order to promote your affiliate links through. Yes, you can start technically promoting to friends and family. I do not recommend you do that, because then you're going to seem like a sleazy salesman. Trust me, I know about this type of stuff. When it comes to promoting your affiliate links, you want to be intelligent about it. You typically want to promote products and services to people that would benefit from them. So for example, with this particular one, which are hiking poles, think about the type of audience that you would want to promote to. The answer to that is people that are interested in hiking, in maybe rock climbing, maybe outdoorsy stuff, nature. So what I would typically do is, for example, I would first review the product itself, Trekology Trek Z Review, because this is a long name over here. I would just stick to the short version of it. I'd make a YouTube video on it. I'd explain how it works, how good it is, if the reviews are good, which they are in this case, and then I would leave a link in the description of the video. You can check out one of my previous videos about how to promote products on YouTube for more details, but that's generally how I do it. Or perhaps I would create a YouTube video or blog about how to hike when you have knee problems, because typically these hiking poles are great for that kind of stuff. So that's another angle that you can use to promote it. That way, people find you when they're looking for information about, let's say, the product itself, which is very popular here, or perhaps they have knee problems and they're interested in hiking, but they want to know ways to reduce the knee pain. So this would be a great segue to do that. So in this case, you're creating content for audiences that would be interested in that on platforms like YouTube, on platforms like blogging. And then there's also more advanced ways to promote your affiliate links, where you, for example, create paid ads on places like Google ads, Facebook ads, Microsoft ads, and those ads steer to some kind of landing page. Maybe you collect an email list, and then down the line you promote something. And usually with email lists, you want to promote something that's a bit more expensive. But that's basically in a nutshell how it works. That basically explains the step 3 process, and that summarizes what I wanted to get across. Getting started with affiliate marketing is technically easy, but it does take work to really get going. It's something where you got to get used to it and follow those 3 steps, but do it correctly, especially with the third one. So that's what I wanted to get across in today's video, and if you have any questions about that, leave your comment below. And once again, if you are someone that's new or struggling at affiliate marketing or making money online in general, check out that resource below that I was talking about earlier in the video, which is that Wealthy Affiliate Program, which not only helps you become an affiliate and start promoting that program, but it also supplies you with the other tools that you can use to promote other products as well. You can get started with them for free, but there's more info about that in the link below. So thanks a lot for watching once again, and once more, if you have any questions, leave your comment below and I'd be happy to answer your questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.